Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite healthy and delicious salad recipes, the Mediterranean salad. This salad is not only packed with essential vitamins and nutrients, but it also has the perfect balance of flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds begging for more. The star of this salad is, of course, the fresh and crunchy vegetables. And what makes it unique is the addition of some Mediterranean ingredients, like juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, vibrant bell peppers, briny olives, and tangy feta cheese. And let's not forget the protein-packed chickpeas, which add a hearty and satisfying element to this salad. Now, for the dressing, we're keeping it simple yet flavorful. We'll be using a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of oregano. It's the perfect tangy and refreshing addition to our salad. And just like that, our Mediterranean salad is ready to be devoured. Look at all those vibrant colors and fresh ingredients. It's like a rainbow in a bowl. You can taste the freshness in every bite. The flavors come together beautifully, and it's the perfect balance of healthy and delicious. This Mediterranean salad is not only great for your taste buds, but it's also great for your body. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all essential for a healthy lifestyle. So next time you're looking for a tasty and nutritious meal, give this Mediterranean salad a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Cheers to happy and healthy eating. See you next time.